Regardless of your age or health, we all know that blood pressure is one of the biggest health concerns today. You can now easily and accurately monitor your blood pressure with this FDA-approved automatic blood pressure monitor from LAZLE. Our unit offers the largest screen on the market and is backlit so you can easily read it in low light situations. Other features include a blood pressure level indicator, irregular heartbeat alert, and an arrhythmia check. Here's how it works. When you open the box, insert the included batteries. The unit also has a USB port for power. Plug the cuff into the display unit. Tighten to where it is snug but not too tight. Adjust the cuff to the correct position. Now, activate the monitor with the simple one-touch operation. It's that easy. The unit is also programmed with an auto shutoff to save batteries. This monitor is able to track and record readings from 2 different users so your doctor can see your history and offer more accurate diagnosis and treatment if necessary. Paying attention to your blood pressure is so important. So, if you want to accurately monitor your blood pressure, the LAZLE Automatic Blood Pressure Monitor is what you have been looking for.